I need a car cover, and in previous videos, my car cover broke on the second use, and it was right from Mini. So we found a car cover from carcover.com, and we spec'd it to fit this car exactly. So I need a car cover that is easy to take on and off quickly, as well as be useful for every single day. We hope you enjoy the video. My name is Ethan, and welcome to Car Creations. Alright, let's take a look at what they have in the box. So here it comes out right here. We have the car cover in this vacuum sealed bag, which is very satisfying, I won't lie. We have a little bag here with the snaps as well as a bike lock looking thing, because we are able to lock this cover, which is one of the features. Ooh, it looks nice. Alright, so we're going to take it out and we are going to lay it along the ground and try to figure out which side's the front. Alright, so the side with the front looks to be the side with the mirror caps. So the instructions say to put the front side on first. And this really soft inner material protects the car as you're throwing up over it. So one of the biggest things is to make sure that you don't get it dirty, because then you're dragging dirt over the car. Tuck the front bumper in first, and then on that side. And then next you have to put the mirror caps on. So what you want to do is pull from the end. There we go, and around, that fits perfectly. The other mirror cap went on by itself. Perfect. So now you just put the back on. So you want to reach up under here, and oh wait, we kind of ran into a snag here, and that is this antenna. So you have a couple options here. You can either cut a little hole through here and put the patch on that's supplied in the kit, or you can just unscrew this. As in my case, we're just gonna unscrew it. There we go. So now I'm gonna have a butt antenna for the rest of the video. Alright, pulling up and over my beautiful spoiler, down the back, and then we are just going to tuck under there, like so. Alright, so now have 3 steps. You have to put the buckles on the front, put the buckles on the back, and in the middle. So first of all, let's do the back. It's pretty easy. So all you want to do is go up through the bottom, down to the top, and then you just do that on every single one. There we go. And then pull it tight. And this side is just as easy. Tuck it under. And then from this side, we're gonna plug this one in also. There we go. So now we have those two connected together. We can do the one in the middle. All right, so now we have this bike lock material. Braided cable with some plastic on the top. And this just goes in the middle. We have these holes right here, like so. And then you get the other side, and we're just gonna poke it through right here. There we go. And then you just push it underneath the car. We're just gonna quickly connect the rope to it and then pull it to the other side. All right, that worked surprisingly well. Taking off. Then we come to the lock itself. And then this comes up through here. Poke it in there again. Like so. That was pretty satisfying. So we have the cover on. Now let's take a look at it and I'll tell you what I think about it. All right, here's the cover all installed. Now let's take a little look at it. So it comes in this really cool thick material. It's somewhat soft on the outside, but not soft enough where snow won't fall off. On the inside, there's a soft material that helps you not damage your car as you pull it up over your car. Now, when I compare it to one bought from Mini, that one actually had a very weird thin material. On the outside, it felt flimsy and plasticky, and then on the inside, it felt like the stuffing from a stuffed bear, just glued to the inside. The second time using it, the zipper broke. It was kind of necessary to the entire cover itself to have that zipper closed. So I ended up just safety pinning it closed, but then it kept falling open in the winter weather, and safety pins rusted and fell off, and basically the entire side of my car ended up not being protected. So this one doesn't have that. It looks a lot better, and it is missing the sunglasses, but I didn't really like those anyways. This cover works for both indoors as well as outside. So it has a nice soft exterior, so if something bumps into it, it's not gonna wreck anything. And on the inside, it's even softer, so you don't have to be worried about dragging it over your car. It's also good enough to handle the exterior weather. So if you wanna keep your car in your driveway, or if you wanna keep your car in your garage, you're pretty much set. Let us know what you think about this in the comments below. Check one out for your car. And in my opinion, they're actually a lot better than the Mini ones themselves. All right, let's get this thing taken off. So let's see how quickly we can do it. So start the timer right now. Front. So I'm just gonna go here and find that clip. Go back, undo this clip, somewhere in here. Oh, it's wet and stinky. Problem in filming outside in the wintertime. Looks cool, but yeah, other than that, that's it. And then what you want to do is start peeling it off from the back and try to fold it up into itself so it doesn't get dirty. On this side, to get it off, you pull from the mirror, tuck that one around, grab on the bag. There we go, and then we're going to go to the front, and we're just going to start tucking it into the bag. Trying the best not to have too much falling on the ground because it's so dirty. Done. Stop the timer. So into the bag and pull the drawstrings closed, and your car is ready. All right, so here's just a little closer look at the car cover itself. It's actually super thick and it's super strong. Sewed all together with triple stitches, so it's not going to come out on you or come off. It feels really nice, and it's going to be pretty durable if you're going to be taking it on and off your car all the time, which I'll probably end up be doing. My JCW I only took out in the summertime, and I had my winter beater club in the wintertime. But this car, I'm dailing it, so it's nice to take it home, put a cover on it, and then take it out the next day if I'm going to drive. So I think this is going to be amazing. Thank you so much to carcover.com for sending it out for us to take a look at, and we will be using it every single day. If you want this cover, make sure you check out carcover.com and spec one for yourself. You can use the link Car Creations and you will get a discount on your car cover. That has been the video. We hope you enjoyed. Please leave any comments below and make sure you subscribe and like for plenty of content to come in the future. Other than that, we hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. And that's a wrap, folks. All right, let's put it on the car and let's see how this thing works and looks. My name is Ethan, and welcome to Car Creations.
My name is Ben, by the way.